This is Ken Boyd with St. Louis Test Preparation. This is an introduction into our next accounting video textbook. So I'm on the web page that says accounting video textbooks, and if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that in addition to accounting for investments, I now have the advanced accounting video textbook. And you're going to see a link here, just as you do above, that will allow you to click on and purchase the course. Again, based on student feedback, I found the most effective way to teach accounting concepts is to create video using my Excel templates, and now I've worked them into complete courses. So what you'll get when you go to the site is the entire 1 hour and 48-minute course, but in addition to that, if you email me, you'll also get the videos in 10-minute segments that are easier to download and save, and also all the Excel templates used to create the videos, and a practice exam in Excel, and I also answer the questions in the practice exam in the video. And you'll get a YouTube link down here that will explain what I'm doing right now. Let's go to the table of contents for just a minute. What do we cover in the Advanced Accounting Video Textbook? Calculating the differential, goodwill, fair market value of assets, and the consolidation entries. Using the equity method, which creates an investment and sub-account. How do we consolidate net income? What about goodwill impairment? Elimination entries for that. We then go into a long discussion of intercompany transactions, intercompany sales of inventory, in which there's a gross profit that needs to be removed. Intercompany sales of land and equipment. With equipment, we're going to need to eliminate some differences in depreciation. Intercompany bond purchases and sales, where we have companies that are purchasing a bond at different prices, which creates different amortization of premiums and discounts. More on calculating the investment balance and also the income that would go to a parent. Gross profit and inventory, seeing that again. Other consolidation entries, besides what we talked about in the earlier sections. Preferred stock. What if a company has preferred stock as opposed to common stock? How does that impact the consolidation? We shift and talk a little bit about partnerships. What do we do when there's a partnership liquidation? What happens to the basis that each partner has in the entity, and how does that change? Retirement of a partner, which goes on to the issue of inside versus outside basis. What's your basis in the partnership? And the last thing, which I think may be the most difficult and misunderstood, is currency translation adjustment, where you're shifting from one currency to another and you may be incurring a gain or a loss on that currency. We also have two sections, about 17 minutes, that explain all the answers to the practice exam questions. So it's a total of 1 hour, about 1 hour and 45 minutes. So my suggestion is that you open the video files, whether you're watching the whole MP4 in 1 hour 48 or whether you're looking at individual sections. Open the Excel document that's used to create the video, and consider pausing and stopping the video to understand what's discussed. Maybe you pause the video and you click around on the Excel document a little bit. Once you've gone through everything, open the practice test Excel document. You can take the exam by actually making your own changes in Excel, or you can complete them on text. You can complete them on paper if you'd like to. And then watch the practice exam video. Compare your answers to what's on the answer key for those two videos. You can then use the video in the Excel files to follow up on areas where you need clarification. You can use these files to do homework, case studies, or as a review tool for an exam. So that's what's going on with the Advanced Accounting Textbook. Again, if you go to the page, Accounting Video Textbooks on the site, you'll now see Accounting for Investments and this video topic, which is Advanced Accounting. You'll see a link to Gumroad where you can download the entire MP4. And you'll see the pricing, the length of time, and the topics down here. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.